Yeah, you just ask the people when you're down there. When they go to put you in a seat.
Yun, no?
Yeah, probably 20 minutes.
Paano yung balikan nyo? Paano tayo babalik?
Thanks, guys.
Ay, dito tayo.
Saan pa tayo?
Sinasali pa.
Oh.
What's nice? Medyo harap tayo.
Ah, maganda. Goods lang.
I've got all those plus another. So we're sorting out.
So, Black Royal.
Dami naman kasi.
Ayan.
Pila ulit.
Ay, tangin ang pangit.
Ay,
Pwede kayong tumayo?
Paano ka tatayo? May habang. Oh.
Refreshments, lunch, level 2 and 3, cafe and a
Bakit
restaurant.
dito natapunta tayo?
Hindi, sakto lang.
Safe kaya yan?
Safe yan.
Wala naman lakad.
Ito yung pinakaharap. Kaya lang matagal yung pila. Ilang.
Ala.
Tingin na ka. Ikaw. Saan mo gusto? Sa gilid. Gusto mo gilid?
Yan o. Anong tawag dito to? Railway. Sakay kami sa railway ngayon.
Bawal lumabas na layon ah.
Hindi ba nalalak?
What may issue ba sa weight? Sa height? Laid back.
Nailak.
Ayun, ano.
Pwede ba ganyan? Oo. Nakaganyan tayo.
Ayan.
Ready?
Takin na, di mo kukuha dito. Kumuha ng video.
Nakaganito.
Ting, ting, ting.
Welcome aboard in the scenic railway. My name's Daniel Driver.
Sarado na.
The train here. Let's head down into the Denison Valley, everyone. Just hang on to loose and valuable items. You're on the world's steepest railway. Let's go down.
Bago pa matanggap ng money. Vape ko.
Ano, saan ba yung vape ko?
Baka dumulas yung vape ko.
Ayun na. Ayun na, papalis na tayo.
Beyond Bugatti.
Ayun, tereren. Ayun, tereren. Ten. Wow! Oh, shit! Wow! Ay, tayo na wala pala makita dito ah. Nakaam tayo, Pap. Boom! Shit! Hello guys! Dito. Be, yung paa mo ah, Be. Yung paa mo. Sa tao.
Sa pinakaharap pala sa
Oo, pinaharap, makikita.
kaya lang mo sa tao.
Na... Nakaam din eh. Agad ganda, shit. Hey. Ito ba to? Hindi na tayo lumabay.
Jamison Valley, everyone.
Dito na tayo.
When I bring the train to a stop down here, I'll get the doors open on the left. Everyone needs to exit out down here. We all exit at the bottom station. Make your way up the stairs over the bridge. You're on the scenic walkways. And they get you around to the cable car where you can catch the train up by the entry side. Thanks a lot, everyone. Doors will open up on the left. Everyone exit out for me, please. Make sure you grab all your belongings.
Tapos babalik ulit po.
Good picture. Wow.
Pwede tayo pumunta doon? Gano'n ba?
Siguro. Ah, yun na yung card.
Ah, iba pa yung andon.
Ano?
So, pwede tayo maglakad papunta doon? O pwede rin tayong sumakay dito pabalik?
Pabalik.
Tapos pila ulit sa car.
O gusto
બધા ટૂલ્સ યુઝ કરતા હતા કોલ માટે તો તે જો અહીંયા લખેલું છે
Yala. Papunta tayo ngayon sa cable. Cable, ano ba yun? Ha? Cable rail?
Way.
Ha? Kakala ko cable rail. Cable way.
10 minutes pa. Ah, meron dito. Oh, may table way.
Oh shit.
Hindi, baka
Hindi.
pinang gitna yan.
Hindi, ito to. Cable way, no?
Tara dito ka.
Baka gitna yan. Gitna.
Ayan, 10 minutes pa. Ayun, na-wrong way kayo guys.
Meron.
Ha?
Baka iikot lang to. Yan talaga ang puntahan. Tama ba? Hindi. Ito lang tayo. Bakit may ganun?
Wala, ikot ka dyan. Ayun ang ikutan mo dyan. Siguro.
Dito na lang tayo.
Ito tayo. Ayan, dito tayo. Dito tayo. Tamang landas tayo dito. Eh, ang beep dito, eco-friendly naman tayo eh.
Organic naman.
Tawag tao eh. Ah, may CCTV eh.
Wala yan. Ganda rin sa video eh oh. Para alang rin kami eh.
Nasa Gabaldon ka lang?
Ha?
Gabaldon, kaya Bungabon.
Ayun na oh.
Pupunta ang falls.
Tak na kaya na i-cover na camera natin lahat ng ano na yan.
Ang ganda ano.
Hanap picture ako kayo dyan. Hanap picture ako kayo dyan.
Oh, ayun, nandito na kami. Ay, daan.
Oy, dulo.
Ayan oh, cable. Ayan, doon tayo pupunta. Doon. Pabalik na tayo guys. Ang daming tao.
Ano lang yan? Ano lang ang biyahe?
Parang ganun din kanina.
O mamaya siksikan ah. Feeling ko lang.
Ayun, nasiksikan na.
Siksikan nga.
Ay, pwede sa harap. Pinaka.
Ay, sa harapan tayo.
Tara, doon tayo.
I wish.
Sa harap. Ah, tara,
Saan ba?
Aliit lang, hindi makikita. Wala pa.
Ha?
Joe, bhai.
Hindi, sa gitna lang Tito mabagal.
Hindi, ito daw yun.
Ayun, tilay sakay. Sa taas sumakay itong mga Pinoy na to.
Ilog ka upload eh.
Ayun na, yung kanina. No, bumalik sila.
Ha?
Slate niya.
गेट क्या गेट ए बाजू ना दी पहला बाजू
Ha? Tayo. Guys, pupasakin na kami.
अबे अबे जाता है ना ये नहीं
Mali, dapat pala sumakay tayo sa ano, kanina.
Sa taas.
Sa taas nito.
Oo.
Tapos pabalik tayo naka ano, railway.
Oo,
No?
oo. Baligtad. Guys,
Sorry, bye bye. Ah, pwede ba makyat? Hindi mo may hanggang pala.
oo nga, pwede nga.
अपना वीडियो बता दी नहीं रवि सभा में अरे एकादशी सभा
Ah, may bantay naman pala sa
ત્યારે
loob.
મોદી સાહેબ બોલતા હતા ને હિસ્ટોરિકલ મોમેન્ટમાં
અમે સહભાગી છે. જો આ ફરી જાય શકે.
કોણ ફરી જાય
Ito, may iwalay ka sa amin yun eh. Agal. Right.
પહેલું પહેલું
Sikat par. Shoot ko na dyan, pe. Out ah. Eh, no. Eh, no, tayo. Ay, di mapag-video dito to.
ये बकाई है बस यही ना दिस इज बेस्ट
Nakikita, di tayo nakikita. Di tayo nakikita.
अबे जगह अबे जगह
Ano may bibigyan mo? Ito o yun?
Tayo.
क्या पटे
Lumalis eh. Yan.
Dito ako magbibigyan.
Ang ina, ayaw malipat ah. Yun.
हमारा चैनल सर
Oh shit. Ganda. Wow. Yan ang pakita tayo sa video.
Bakit dito rin? Yeah, ano?
Ang pwede 69 ah.
भाभी आवे भी
Panorama.
Dahil pa ganyan tayo ako dito.
Okay. Ito na kami guys. Ano yung susunod to?
Skyway.
Skyway na tayo pupunta ngayon. Okay, baba na be.
Ay, pababa na.
Yun na yun. Oh, ipitig ka pa?
Umabol pa eh.
Ah, ito pala yung daan noon. Yung sa kanina, no? Oh shit, di nakita. Highway na. Highway. Asa naman yung entrance?
Diyan.
Ah, dito yung entrance. Ganda. Kapunta? Kapunta?
Hanap ako snack eh. Tara.
Snack. Mamaya ka
Sabihin
snack.
na taas. So, tumingin mo na.
Hindi, sa akin na tayo.
Bakit mo tayo?
Look at the sunglasses. Tara. Tignan. Diyan.
Kayo, dito? Dito ba? Dito ba? Alright. Ay, dyan. 360 panorama.
Parang walang sumasakay dito.
Ayun, pangit yata eh. Kaya wala sumasakay.
Ay, ito yung... Yan yung sa...
Ano yun?
Your wristband. Thank you very much.
Sa labas.
Thank you. Thank you.
Maglalagay ng harness sa'yo.
Dami rin tao. Habang
So
wala
we're just
sumasakay.
getting everyone to move down a little bit. We need to fill up this space here. Thank you so much.
Dami rin tayo. Dami rin tao.
So if we can get people moving down to fill up that corner over there. Thank you so much. And then we'll get you guys moved down a little bit more as well. Love it.
Howdy, my name is Hannah. I'll be giving you a bit of a rundown. So as you can see, our lovely Skyway, the scenic Skyway 1 and only, is now approaching. Not too much longer until you all board on. So, anywhere you stay in the cabin, you'll get lovely views. But to our right, you have the Three Sisters and the Jam.
Ayun na, punta tayo Skyway. Okay. Ah, maluwang? Maluwang-luwang.
Ah, dyan open air.
Saan?
Ayun.
Ah, oo. Open air nga kaya.
Pwede rin dito.
Open air. Yan na, Beng. Ano ko dyan? Para makakita tayo. Nakikita rin naman natin lahat eh. O yan, guys.
Baka bubukas yung kwento na yan. Ilaglag kayo dyan.
Tangina. Pisti kayo dyan.
Driver take you all the way over to
Oh!
the station. Now, if you're in the very middle of that cabin, I want you to look up for me. That's probably the best view you'll get all day. But if you look down instead, you'll be able to see all the way down into the valley. Now, at our highest point, the deepest point of the valley underneath you will
Oh,
be
shit.
270 meters. 270 meters is just taller than twice the height of the Sydney Harbour Bridge.
Ooh.
It is as tall as the tallest buildings in Sydney, or if you need something for scale, it is 1,513 standard Cavendish bananas tall.
Be, tingin kayo dito, te. Be.
Of our cabin, that is where you can find the Three Sisters. So that's Ninai, Wumala, and Gunny Doo up on top of that escarpment. They've been up there for approximately 14 million years. And if you're looking all the way down to the south, you can see the other side of the Jamison Valley, known as Mount Solitary. That is a massive sandstone plateau. It has a circumference twice the size of Uluru. Over on the northern side of our cabin, that is where you can find Katoomba Falls. So if you're looking for the waterfall today, over on the northern side is where you'll find where you want to get into. But more importantly than that, it is one of very few waterfalls in the entire world that have never run dry in recorded history.
Ayan, may pulse.
And if you ever want to have a drink of water out of that waterfall, all you need to do is turn on a tap in Sydney, as all of that water will flow off that cliff.
Bulok.
Alrighty, so over here on our eastern side, folks, everyone will need to exit the cabin once we come into dock. Now, if you wish to explore over here, it's a 10-minute walk down to the waterfall lookout, down that path to our left-hand side.
Oh, ayun na yun guys. Oh shit. Ayun na pala yun. Wala pang ilang minuto yun ah. Ayan, pababa na kami guys. Ayun. Ayun na, pila. Shit.
Okay, sasakay lang tayo.
Hindi, babalik ka doon. Pero kailangan bumaba lahat. Three Sisters ulit?
Hindi, baka makita yun.
Ay, ito lang. Ay, hindi. Peki lang yung 5 minutes na yun. Ayun na oh.
Eh, baka may iba pa.
Hindi, ito lang.
Yan lang. Oh, ayun. Look out oh. Punta tayo doon sa ano. Malapit lang doon. Oh shit, ang ganda. Fuck.
Ay, hindi nga natataraw. Nakatago.
Guys. Hey. Hey. Video yan, video.
Ay, video.
Oh, fuck. Ganda.
Ganda oh.
Oh my God. Picture tayo. Oh, ayun guys. Pabalik na kami. Asang Limbyo, Medina. Punta tayo ng sa taon ta. Katumba Falls. Lookout eh.
Eh, baka... Sige, hindi natin 6 natin.
Yan, lamig. Goods din eh. Parang gabal dun din eh.
Gagala tayo. Talaon nyo, ng tubig na yan.
Lakad sundalo na lang para... At papunta tayo ng Katumba Falls. Tapos may tumawid na ahas, no? Fuck.
Biglang tumakbong hayop, no? Ang yan. Kaya gano'n, ano yung mga wild kangaroo gano'n.
Kangaroo pa, picture ako. Layo ata nga. Titignan mo yung hinga ng mga to. At kung hingal tong mga to, malayo.
Yes, yes.
Wala, malapit lang. Eto, hingal na hingal.
Baka dyan lang yung 600.
Hingal na hingal. Mukhang malayo
Okay,
ka.
kasi mag-oras, 30 minutes.
Hindi, baka yung pinaka... ano dyan.
Oh, ayan oh, nakikita na namin Falls.
May tao sa baba.
Nakikita ba? Nakikita sa video. Ayo, meron na yun. Makikita dun sa ano. Putang ina.
Ito lang pala yung daan.
Bumalik sa daan. Ayok, napunta sa main highway. Napunta guys sa main highway. Ah, 5 minutes na lang.
Lakas mayaman yung ano. Pwede pala mag-drive dito papunta doon.
Oo nga.
Tayo dito.
May drive ano pala dito eh.
Kasi din na-experience yung skyway.
Ganun din. Doon. Kung dito tayo nag-park, doon naman tayo pabalik din tayo. Yan.
Baba tayo.
Prince, ano daw? Yan. Prince Henry Cliff Walk. Ayan, dito tama.
Kailangan natin yung park na dito.
Ando sa ate, yan ang tamang landas. Pagka ikaw na lambot yung tuhod mo dyan, pupulutin namin sa baba dyan.
Bangas tayo.
Ayun, eto na oh. Lakad mayaman yung 30 minutes. Dito to, oh.
Oo, lakad mayaman.
Ayun, oh, tangina. Ayun. Ayun pala eh. Prince Henry.
Oh yeah, there are some differences.
Wala. Pwede pala. Ayan, oh. Pwede palang tumayo dyan eh. Goods din. Ayan guys, hindi tayo sa Prince Henry Falls. Malamig yan. Hangin pa lang eh. Ganda. Goods din. So ayan, nakapit na muna kami sa falls. Be. Ayun oh. Ganda din. Oh, nalap din. Oh. Shit.
Kaya mo ba?
Go. Pabalik na ako dun. Dahan-dahan lang, madulas yung mga yan. Ayan, pabalik na siya dun. Falls guys, oh. Oh, shit. Ang tao dyan? Ayan. Andiyan naman pala yung beauty ito eh. Wala dyan eh. May kabila. Hindi yan. Ayan o. Yun tayo sasakay uli. Yan. Balik na tayo. Ayan, pabalik na tayo guys. Pabalik na tayo sa kanina. Sa sasakyan.
Yun yung cable na. Kabilis naman, dapat panayin. Dito, doon.
Dito tayo sa side na to. Hindi, cellphone. Ayun na, pabalik na tayo guys.
Back here in 10 minutes time, so maybe you wait 10 minutes away. Flash away Skyway again. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Okay, thanks guys.
Iba-iba pagbalikan.
So, dito tayo sa side na to.
There was a tramway going across. It was a tramway. They were talking about
Bubukas dito.
There's been a landslide. Yes, there's been a few. You can probably see most of it on the cabway there.
Ayun na, pasok na tayo guys. May puta ang lobat na.
Yeah, we're a little bit too high up to see too much of it. Yeah. Alrighty. Yeah, come on through everyone.
Alright.
Come on through.
Ay, dito tayo sa side na to, babe. Parang may na ripples. Ayun o. Oo. Ay, dito tayo. Ayan, nakasay na tayo. Pabalik na tayo sa kotse. Ayan, palis na. Titit.
Here we go.
All right.
On board the Skyway, everyone. My name's Maz. I'm your driver for this trip off the back. Any questions, come and find me. I'm pretty hard to miss. Probably the biggest giveaway is I'm holding a microphone, so come and have a chat if you like. And unfortunately, guys, we're not playing Stuck in the Mud, so you can move around if you'd like to as well. Plenty of sights for you guys to see out of all the different windows here. Now, the people standing on the middle platform, definitely take a look down as you keep coming across this cliff edge here. There it goes, that glass wall has gone.
Ayan, the pulse.
In the middle of the cabin, so take a look down. It's actually straight away, guys, the highest point today of
Puta, nakakalula.
270 meters above the Jamison Valley.
Mapakalalim.
Wow. Check that out.
Ang ina. 200 centimeters.
The Sydney Harbour Bridge. We're about the same height as the Sydney Harbour Bridge, stacked on top of itself.
Oh my god. Sa 200 centimeters.
About 13,500.
Ala. Ayan guys.
Quite a few coming there, so.
Tangina, tas nahulog, no?
Now just on the right hand side, kind of just past it here, we have the Katoomba Falls. So check it out, Katoomba Falls.
Shit.
Just behind us there. Best place to see the waterfalls, actually exactly where I'm standing. So back right corner.
Alula.
The best place to see the Katoomba Falls. Definitely head back that way. On the left hand side, everyone take a look. Left hand side we have the beautiful Jamison Valley this fine afternoon. Jamison Valley is on our left hand side. We can see all out to Mount Solitary. That big plateau smack bang in the middle. It's called Mount Solitary.
Ay, ang ganda pala
Back
na
left
to.
corner we have those three sandstone pillars called the Three Sisters. Three Sisters back left corner. And coming up on the front left corner is this lone sandstone pillar called Orphan Rock. Yeah, check that out, Orphan Rock. You guys might have been wondering, I came up here to the Blue Mountains and I'm yet to see a blue-coloured mountain. It's a rip-off. Why did they come here? There's not even blue mountains. Oh, I spent so much money this holiday. Well, actually, if you look in the distance there, guys, on the left-hand side, you can see a slight blue haze in the distance. It's not too prominent today. You've probably seen it on photos. You can kind of see a little bit of it right now. Pretty great, eh? We made it. Actually, a few bumps as we're docking into the station. We're just a few bumps, hopefully normal. So anyway, otherwise, once you come to the stop, you guys will be at level 3. Level 3, we have nothing. Nothing is on level 3. But level 2, we have a cafe. Really a bit hungry, but peckish, a bit thirsty. Level 2 is a cafe. Level 1, access to the rest of our rides. So the K-Way, Red Railway, move back to the yellow skyway. Level 1, and if you... That was a bit of a bump. Right about now.
Alright.
Thank you very much, guys. Enjoy your afternoon. Any last questions, come find me. Bye.
Alright, dito na kami. Ito na yung last.